Okay, Messina, you are ready?
Okay, sir. I'm ready.
Schedule management plan, schedule management, we will get a schedule management plan. Schedule management plan will tell us how to create the schedule, how to control the schedule, how to manage the schedule. Actually, real difference will come when we'll come to schedule between agile and predictive. Which methodology we are going to use? We will use agile, Kanban, or predictive lifecycle. You know, in agile, time box, iteration, in Kanban, full system, on-demand scheduling, and in predictive, there is traditional scheduling. And today we will discuss more of traditional way of schedule. First, yesterday we have already completed the scope baseline, and there was a lowest package work breakdown structure, and there was lowest package was work package, and we take work package from the scope baseline and divide it to further part. We will use decomposing, and when we will use decomposing, we will get two things. We'll get two things: activity list and activity attributes. Activity
Yes, sir.
list will tell us activity A, activity B, activity C, activity D, like that. And activity attribute will same as like work breakdown structure dictionary. Activity attribute will tell us the relationship between the activities and dependencies between the activities. And there is four type of relationship. There is four type of relationship which we are using when we come to schedule. First one is finish to start. Finish to start, there is two activities. I will open a whiteboard, just wait for a minute. There is two activities, activity A and then activity B. We are discussing finish to start. When activity A will finish, then we start activity B. I will give you example from your own project. When we finish the fit up of the giant, we are doing fit up of the half shell of penstock. You know, when we finish the fit up of the giant, then we start welding of that giant. That is finish to start. It means first we will finish the fit up of the giant, and then we will start a welding. It's okay, Messina? Finish
It's okay,
to
sir.
start. And then start to start. Start to start, both activity will start at the same time. When we join a half shell of the penstock, both giant A and giant B, fit up start at the same time.
Yes, sir.
Okay? I will give you an example, very easy example, then you can easily understand start to start relationship between two activities. When we turn the AC on, compressor start automatically. Both activities start at the same time. Understand?
Understood, sir.
Yeah. Start to start. Then finish to finish. Third relationship is finish to finish. What is finish to finish? Both activities finish at the same time. Both activity finish at the same time. For example, fit up of the both joint will finish at the same time, or welding of the both joint finish at the same time. For example, you are traveling in your car and you turn the LCD on, and when you reach to your home, you turn the ignition off, and LCD it was running in your car, it is automatically off. So both activities off at the same time. Both activities off at the same time.
Same.
These are the relationship between the activities. These are the relationship between the activities. Then I will explain to you what is another thing, relationship. These are the four type of relationship. Then I will explain you two other things, leads and lag. Then we'll go to leads and lag. What is leads? For example, activity A will finish and then activity B will start. Activity after activity time of the activity A is 6 days. After 6 days, activity B will start. But what happened in the lead? Activity B started at the 4 days. Activity B started at the 4 days. It's mean activity B leaded activity A. Activity B leaded activity A. And what happened in the lag? Activity A finish, then activity B will start. But what happened in the lag? Activity B A finish, but activity B did not start. It will start at the later time, maybe after 2 days or 3 days. That delay, that delay is called lag. That
Lag.
delay is called lag.
Lag.
Then I will explain you another thing. Okay. Activity A, I will explain you precedence diagramming method. Activity B, then activity C, then here activity D, and then activity
Yes.
E, and here activity F. I will explain you first the critical path method. What is critical path method? Activity A will take 4 days. Activity B will take 6 days. I am telling you the duration of the activities. Activity C will finish at 8 days and activity F will finish within 10 days. Then activity D will take 3 days only and activity E will take 8 days. Thus, we will do the sum up of these activities. Activity A, B, C, and F. Activity A, B, C, and F. We will calculate the duration of these all activities. 10 plus 6, 16, plus 6, 22, and plus 4, 26. These all will take 26 days. These all activities A, B, C, and F. This path will take 26 days. And then
Yes.
A, D, E, and F. How much time it will take? 10, 8, 18, then 3, 21, and 4, 25. This will take 25. Our critical path method is A, B, C, and F because it is the longest path. Longest path is the critical path. Longest path is the critical path. And what is the float of the other activity? Difference between these two, 26 and 25, only one. Difference of one is called, if we talk about the total area, then we will call the total float of the other way. And if we talk about the activity, then the free float of the activity. If we talk about the activity, then free float of the activity. Now next, I will explain you there is different type of schedule compression technique. There is 4 type of schedule compression technique. Sorry, 2 types of schedule compression technique. First one is crashing. What happen in crashing? For example, 4 welder are doing welding there and we add more resources. We add 4 more welder. It's mean this is called crashing. When we add more resources, this is called crashing. And other is fast tracking. What happened in fast tracking? The activities that were in series, we start them parallel. The activities that were in series, we start them parallel. That is called crashing is called when we add more resources. Crashing when we add more resources, and this is fast tracking. Okay, when we do crashing, what happen? Cost get increased. Cost, because we add more resources, then cost get increased. And when we will do fast tracking, rework increase or risk increases. Rework increase or risk increases.
Okay.
Some students are asking which method to use for a schedule compression. If cost is not the issue, go with the crashing. Go with the crashing. That is best
Machine.
way when you are using the schedule compression technique. And then resource optimization technique. There is two type of resource optimization technique: resource leveling and resource smoothing. What happen in resource smoothing? We fix the end date of schedule. We manage the resources in between. That is called smoothing. And what happen in resource leveling? We get increase the end date of schedule. We get increase the end date of schedule. It means when resources are available, we will do that work. Maybe resource are busy some other work. Then we will use resource leveling. In resource leveling, schedule get increased. But in resource smoothing, the schedule date is fixed. We manage the resources in between. We manage the resources in between. And there is different type of schedule estimation technique. For cost and schedule, same tools and technique used to estimate the cost and estimate the schedule. First one is analogous estimation. What happened in analogous? Meaning of the analogous is same. Analogous come from analogy, and meaning of the analogy is the same. For example, 1 year ago, we construct one house of 200 square feet. And after 1 year, we get the same schedule, same design, same planning, and we will use again the same thing. That is called analogous estimation. That is called analogous estimation. Second one is parametric estimation. What happened in parametric estimation? We will build 2 years ago one house 400 square feet, and after that we get the same house 400 square feet, but we will multiply 2 year will take a 200 square feet house we will build. It has taken 1 year, and 400 square feet of house, how much time it will take, Messina?
2 years has taken
4 years.
we will 4 years, sir.
Yeah, because we multiply. We are multiplying parametric. We are
Yes, sir.
multiply here parametric. You understood? Analogous
Understood.
and parametric.
And
Then there
parametric.
is optimistic. Optimistic mean a best case scenario. When you need rain happen, resource are available. Best case scenario is optimistic. Okay. And
Yes, sir.
worst case scenario is pessimistic. Worst
Pessimistic.
case scenario is pessimistic. And generally, how much it will time take? Most likely. These three things we will use two different ways. First one is triangle. Optimistic, pessimistic, most
Pessimist.
likely. Most
Most
likely.
like.
We'll use triangle to estimate the duration. Optimistic plus pessimistic plus most likely divided by 3. Divided by 3.
3.
And for same, we will use another formula that is called PAD. Program Evaluation Review Technique. Program Evaluation Review Technique. We will use same like this. Optimistic one time, pessimistic one time, and most likely 4 times. Most likely 4 times.
But
And
in the
we
PAD
will use,
method, sir.
yeah. This is beta distribution. Most likely 4 times because there is 4 times. Okay. Optimistic
Okay, sir.
plus 4 times, most likely plus pessimistic divided by 6. Divided by 6. We will
6.
calculate the estimation. Okay. Sometimes students
Yes.
are asking if information is not given, which formula to use. At that time, we will use this formula. We will use, if information is not given in the question, we will use this formula, PAD. Okay. Beta distribution. We will use beta distribution. And I think all other things are complete. I will show you the some other thing. Mind map. Just I will remove from this. I will use. I will show you some mind map. Okay. Here. I want to show you some mind map, and I will explain you. But here is not showing what happened. Of device for share some. Yes, it's coming here. Okay. These are the mind map. I will tell you first where is mind map. Biggest mind map is there. Thumbnail, project, estimate, develop, schedule. Now plan schedule management. First, plan schedule management. There is a big one. I want to show another one because that is very good for you. Planning activities. No, this one. Plan sequence activities. Estimate. Planning. So develop schedule. Control schedule. One more was there. Where is level field, LinkedIn, thumbnail, project? Yes, this one. Project schedule management. In schedule, we will do planning and monitoring and control. We will do planning and monitoring and control. In planning, what happened? Plan, schedule management, and we will get schedule management plan. Then define activities, sequence activities, estimate activities, duration, develop schedule. In monitoring and control, monitoring and control will control the schedule. We will control the schedule only.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then I will explain you next one, where is planning, plan, schedule management. Then this is plan, schedule management. Input for plan, schedule management, project management plan. In project management plan, scope management plan, and develop approach. And then OPA. You know, OPA is tools, templates, procedures, and lesson learned comes in organization process asset. OPA mean organization process asset. Then EEF, enterprise environmental factor, and then project charter. These all are input, and we will use some tools and technique to get the outputs. There are only three tools and technique: expert judgment, data analysis, and meetings. And output is schedule management plan. Then we go to next, planning define activities. Planning define activity. Input is project management plan, schedule management plan, scope baseline, OPA, organizational process asset, and enterprise environmental factor. These are input. Then tools and technique, expert judgment. We will discuss with the expert. Decomposition. We'll use decomposition. We'll decompose in a further part. We'll decompose and get the smaller part, as we did in the work breakdown structure dictionary. Meetings,
Exactly.
we will do meetings, rolling wave planning. Then we'll get outputs. Activity list, it's activity A, activity B, activity C. Activity attributes will tell us the relationship of the activities, dependencies of the activities. Milestone list. Milestone is a significant point in the project. Milestone is a significant point in the project, and it has a zero duration. Please remember, maybe one question you will get from this. Milestone is a significant point in a project and have a zero duration. And mostly at the start of the project and at the end of the project. And sometimes money are interconnected with the milestone. Monies are interconnected with the milestone. Okay, Messina? And
Yes, sir.
then change request. There is change control board. In next video, I will explain you CCB. What is CCB? Change control board. I will explain you how to change, how to raise the change request. Okay, and how move change request in a predictive and how move change request in agile. There is special video I already put it on the YouTube. If you want to learn more about change request, you will go there and watch my those video. Or otherwise, I
Yes.
will explain you in my next session. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then project management plan update, schedule baseline update and cost baseline
Yes.
update.
Yes.
We'll move to next. And next is planning sequence activity. We will sequence activity. Which activity will come first? Which activity will come second, then third, then fourth, like that. Okay. And input for that is schedule management plan and scope baseline, OPA, EEF, and then project documents. Inside of project documents, there is different thing. Activity list will come in the project documents, activity attributes, milestone list, and
Yes.
assumption log. Assumption log, we are putting all the assumption in one register and we are maintaining assumption log. Okay. Then
Okay, sir.
output. Sorry, what we got output? Project
Project
schedule
schedule.
network diagram. I will explain you later on project schedule network diagram on the whiteboard. Okay. And then
Okay, sir.
project documents update. Activity list will update, activity attribute will update, milestone list and assumption log will update. Then estimate planning, estimate activity duration. We estimate using different tool and technique to estimate the activity duration. Input, schedule management plan, scope baseline, OPA, EEF, and here is so many project documents. Activity list, activity attribute, milestone list, assumption log, lesson learned register, project team assignment. Assignment of the project team will also input will come here. Huh? Resource
Yes, sir.
breakdown structure. Resource breakdown structure.
Structure.
As we have a organizational chart, same like that. Okay, resource calendar. Resource calendar is a new here. When we acquire the resources and when we release the resources and when we get that resources. Okay, that is resource calendar. Resource requirement of the resource. Which resources will do what type of responsibilities. Okay, then risk register. We identify at the start of the project, we identify all the risks and put into the risk register. You know, risk register. Is it okay?
Is it okay? It's okay, sir.
Okay. Then output, duration estimate. We get the duration estimate of all activities. Then activity attributes, lesson learned register, assumption log, and basis of estimate. Then planning. In planning, develop schedule. When we develop schedule, input for that is schedule management plan, scope baseline, OPA, EF, activity list, activity
Yes,
attribute,
activities.
milestone list, assumption log. These are same. Lesson register, project assignment, resource team assignment, resource calendar, resource requirement, duration estimate, project schedule network diagram, agreements, and then we tools and technique. We use here different tool and techniques, schedule and network analysis, critical path method. I have already explained resource optimization. There is two type of resource optimization. I already explained data analysis, what if scenario analysis, and simulation. What if scenario? When we are doing a something, we will ask, what if this happen? If this happen, what we will do? If this happen, then what we'll do? What if scenario? That is called what if scenario. And then leads and lag. I already explained leads and lag. Schedule compression technique. There are two types of schedule compression technique. Project management information system. What is project management information system? What we communicate inside the project that will come under the project information system. Project management. We are using WhatsApp, email, Primavera that come inside the project management information system. Agile release planning. At the end, when we are going to release the product. That is called agile release planning.
This plan.
Then output schedule baseline, project schedule data, project calendars, change request, schedule management plan, cost baseline, activity attribute, assumption log, duration estimate, lesson learned register, resource requirement, and risk register. And then final one is control schedule. Control schedule and come monitoring and control. This is our last activity. Input for that is schedule management plan, scope baseline, schedule baseline, performance measurement baseline, OPA, work performance data. Here, this is the new work performance data is a raw information. That is the simplest form of the information. For example, today, 4 welder completed the 1 joint of welding, or 4 welder completed the 4 weld, or fit up crew completed the fit up of 10 joint. That is the raw information. We did not get anything from the raw information. I will tell you that is my complete journey work performance data. If you want to learn more about work performance data, you have to watch my that video. Work performance data, journey of work performance data. I have already explained there. And project documents update, lesson learn register, project calendar, project schedule, resource calendar, and schedule data. Then tools and technique. Here, critical path method and resource optimization. I have already explained. Earned value analysis. Earned value analysis that is used in the cost baseline. Earned value analysis. There is planned value and land value or earned value. What we have earned till today, from start to till today, what we have earned, that is called earned value analysis. Okay, Messina?
Okay, sir.
Attrition, burn chart, performance review, trend analysis. Trend is going upward or downward. That is trend analysis. Variance analysis. We are comparing plan and actual. We are comparing plan and actual. We are getting variance analysis. What if scenario? Leads and lags, schedule compression, PMIS system. And then output, work performance information, schedule forecast, change request, yeah, schedule management plan, schedule baseline, cost baseline, performance measurement baseline. When we will compare, we will get the performance measurement baseline.
The plan
basis of estimate, assumption log, project schedule, lesson learned register, resource calendar, risk register, and schedule data. This was our schedule journey. Now I think you knows each and everything that are relevant to the schedule. If you will get some question that are relevant to the schedule in PMP exam, I think that you will be able to clear that question, or you will be able to solve those questions very easily. Okay, Messina?
Okay, sir.
So we will meet you on Tuesday.
Tuesday, sir.
I will explain you cost baseline and schedule baseline one more time in detail, and then we'll go ahead and next day I will explain you a different thing, resource management plan, and then risk management plan, and then quality management plan. You know, quality is my favorite.
Yeah, quality is your favorite, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Messina. And now I want to stop my video also. Okay, see you, Messina, there. Bye.
See you, sir. Bye. Thank you.
Welcome. Take care.
Bye.